We should pray for South African president. I'm seeing bullets where he's making speech on his head. Assassination. So it's not a good vision, but I'm praying for him. So let the security be very tight. While he's making speech, anywhere he's coming out to talk to the multitude or people, they should make sure the surveillance, the security are intact, because they are planning to shoot him. May God protect him in the name of Jesus. And may God keep him, guide him, and expose the evil ones assigned against his life. In the name of Jesus.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Kune video lesekuletha lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana imfundisi ashumayela esondweni. I think kuseNigeria or eGhana, I'm not sure, but akasiyo imfundisi wala South Africa lona. So uyasho ukuthi ubona sibonakaliso ngaScyril Ramaphosa, president wase-South Africa, ngokuthi kunebantu abafuna kumdubula, kumele abe careful ngisho athula ti-page la athula khona ti-page, he needs to have my bodyguard because there are people who are trying to delete him. So isabalele leya video lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana lishiye abantu abaningi basho ukuthi ayimfundisi ngazi ukuthi iprofeti yakho ingasheshe yende, ngazi ukuthi lokuboniswe uNkulunkulu ngathi kungasheshe kufezeke, ngathi kungasheshe kwendeke. Uthi inkosi at 195 lapha ku TikTok made a prophecy abe fast, uthi futhi mzobe akavaye kanti uthi khanya imoyana yena. We're looking forward to your prophet, SSA people. We are tired of him. Uthi sibuke njo iprofeti yakho mfundisi. We are looking forward to it. Ngathi kungenda ngaba into eleshishako kwendeka esibantu base South Africa, nkosi yami sikhathele nguye. Guys, the comments were so hilarious. Nkosi yami akekho nje namunye umuntu lothi hayi sidombeke emkhulekweni, sidombeke emthandazweni kuRamaphosa. People are just saying akahambe akavaye noma bangamnquma we are tired. Yabona abantu makaze bakuzonde kufike kulezinga lokuthi uyaphila noma uyafa banandzaba. Hey, abantu nje usuke so baqasule wafike ekugcineni because people are just saying mfundisi sinento leti serious gaba sinandzaba naye thini loyo ukuthi uyafa kumbe uyaphila. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Say goodbye.